Y'all are sitting just a little high. There we go. All right. So for the look that officially gets me caught up today, gets me current here, is going to be super, super simple. I'm not going to do anything extravagant or crazy. Just something simple. If I can find my blending brush, that would be spectacular. I have so many brushes. I have at least 2 blending brushes, and so far I haven't found a single one. That is ridiculous. Ah, I found one. Okay, so I'm going to use that one. Want to keep this simple. Hello! How are you? And cream shadow brush. And use an angle brush. Hello! Oh my god, it's been forever, Chris! Holy crap! Oh my god. Where the heck have you been, dude? Been like for freaking ever. Oh my gosh. Got all my stuff over there. You missed my my What Wednesday. You missed it. It's a thing that I might start doing every single Wednesday where viewers can ask me questions about anything they want, but the questions have to start with the word what. And if they don't, then I can't answer them. But you missed my What Wednesday. Because that's not what this live is for. This live is for keeping everything extremely simple. So simple. Ta-da! There we go. Grabbed this brush because I'm just tired of using my hands. So I'm using the sponge side of this brush to apply the eyeshadow that is being used to set my eye primer. Because it makes my life easier to just pack it on there, push it in, and then wipe away the extra afterwards. It's like using too much and then apologizing for it, you know, later. Just because you know it'll get the job done. I'm going upwards with the crease. I want to make sure that I'm covering all of my eye primer. Sometimes my eye primer gets like way up there. So I want to make sure that I'm covering it all. And like I said, I'm going to take that's what my blending brush is for, to wipe away the extra. So while it looks crazy now, just give me a minute. No, I'm using my blending brush to get rid of all the extra windshield wipers. See, now it doesn't look as crazy on that eye. On that one eye. There. See, now it looks all nice and tamed. Does not look super crazy. Guess what? We're done. Just kidding. Not done. Oof. I did get a bristle in my eye though, so that kind of hurt. Wow. Okay, so for the purpose of this video, since the Looking Hottie bundle literally comes with one Splurge Cream shadow, an Epic Mascara, and your choice of a Hottie Lip Plumper shade, those are going to be the only things that I'm actually doing my full eye makeup with. Which is why I said let's keep it simple, because I didn't want to go too crazy. And actually, I just lied to you, and I apologize. I am using one pressed shadow, so... But I want to use something that's not exactly dark, but I don't want to use something that's too light. So, the shade I'm looking at, either Astute or Nimble. Let's go with Nimble. I'll go with Nimble. Nimble looks pretty, and I haven't really used Nimble. But there's a twist to this. This is going all over my eyelid. So, where's my mirror? What did I do with my mirror? Oh, I covered it. Okay, so this is gonna go all over the eyelid. You will see why. Just the eyelid though. So let's go through the crease here and onto the lid. Definitely through the crease. It's like a very, very light brown. Okay, so now I'm going to grab my blending brush again and swipe away any excess that might be there. Okay, so this is where the Splurge Cream shadow comes in. I chose the shade Elegant. Remember when I said keeping things simple? Here you go. It's basically like a shimmery shade of Nimble, which is the shadow that we just applied. It's a very neutral shade, but it's nice and shimmery, and it keeps it to where you can keep a nice, simple look with a bit of shimmer. And this is just going on the lid. And this is why I said I wanted to do that one color all over my lid, that way it barely shows up in the crease area, just barely. It's like it's faded in there. And this just gives your eyelid a bit of shimmer. Oh, itchy. My shoulder is just... There we go. Alright. Ta-da! Alright, and then the Epic Mascara, of course. Bam! How's that for keeping it simple? Okay, I need... You know what? I'm gonna go with Shandelle. Yeah, this shade is perfect for this. So there we go. Here's to keeping things simple with the Looking Hottie bundle. Your choice of a splurge cream shadow shade. This one is elegant. It's just a nice kind of skin tone shimmer. And then I used Shandelle for the Hottie Lip Plumper. And then, of course, it's not complete without the Epic Mascara. Ta-da! Introducing the Looking Hottie bundle right here. Alright guys, thanks for hanging out with me. This is the last makeup look of the day. Until tomorrow. Yay! We're all caught up. I'm so happy. I'm so proud of myself. Didn't think I could do it, but I did it. Yay. Alright you guys, so I will see you tomorrow. Yay. I'm so happy. Alright you guys, good night.